Gregorio y Narvasa II, also known as Ogie Narvasa, is a Filipino lawyer, basketball commissioner, and coach. He is the son of Andres Narvasa, a former Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines, and Yanina Yuseco. Aside from practicing law, Narvasa was the commissioner of the Philippine Basketball League, the country's top amateur league, and the Professional Metropolitan Basketball Association. He is currently serving as legal counsel of the Philippine Basketball Association. He is the father of lawyer Carlo Joaquin Narvasa, with both of them serving as defense counsels in the 2026 impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. During his college years at the Ateneo de Manila University, he was a consistent member of the basketball varsity team and was also awarded the Most Valuable Player during the 1975 to 1976 season. During this time, Ogie was a member of the Philippine national basketball that competed in the ASEAN region. He completed his Bachelor of Science in Business Management honors course degree before graduating 8th in his College of Law class at the University of the Philippines in 1985. Ogie established Fortune, Narvasa, and Salazar Law in June 1993 together with his former colleague, Sig Fortune. While practicing law, Ogie continuously engages in improving the state of Philippine sports by becoming a commissioner of the Philippine Basketball League from 1992 to 1994, and assuming the post of commissioner of the Metroball Basketball Association from 2000 to 2001. Ogie is also a trustee of the Ateneo Sports Hall of Fame, Inc., from 2004 and became its president in 2011 up to the present. Ogie helps out in legal and judicial reforms by being part of the Makati Law Foundation, Inc., a president of the same foundation from 1988 to 2000 and its chairman from 2000 to 2002. Ogie still finds it a challenge to fight for what is true and just in the face of all the obstacles to truth and justice. The Legal 500 Asia Pacific recognized Ogie as a recommended lawyer for 2016 to 2017. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.